Okay, can you move a little bit, Baba? Yeah, we were in the Philippines that time. Ayaw niya maghalo-halo kasi. Nung naghalo-halo siya, sumakit yung tiyan niya. Sabi ko sa Philippines siya. What? Pizza? Oh, okay.
What?
Dito, usok. And balik tayo dito. And
Filipino grill.
Yeah, I know. It's a Filipino grill.
I want some California.
I can share it for you, Baba.
We got ubi at extra.
Ubi de leche. Kuha kami ng large na ubi de leche. Ayan. Punta ako dito kay Gong Cha. Kuha tayo ng... Yes, I can. Hi! Kuha ko ng large na milk tea and times 2 yung red bean. Kasi gusto ko yung red bean. Yeah, thank you. Ha? Magkatabi lang naman sila. So, hintayin natin kung sinong mauna. What's that? What? Ah, yeah.
Have a good night.
Have a good night. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ayan na. Wala pa yung halo-halo natin. Yung halo-halo natin. Yeah. Wait, Baba. Wait, Baba. It's alright. Good? Yeah. Yummy? Okay. Yeah, okay. Alright. Careful. Good? Yum? Yeah. Your favorite. Okay, don't drop it, okay? Nasa yung may kutsara siyang binigay sa... I'm looking for the spoon. Couldn't find the spoon, Bab. Ang dami nating dala. Buti na lang, dinala ko yung aking on-the-go bag. May on-the-go bag tayo, guys. Asa na yun? Ayan. Dinala ko yung on-the-go. Ayan. Okay. Ayan na yung ating on-the-go bag. Why? I have to... Wait. I'm gonna get serviette. Kuha tayong serviette. Siya nang kumain ng ice cream. Saya-saya niya. Punta na natin si Johnny Boy. Ito na yung ating on-the-go bag. Yeah.
Oh, look at the food all that.
Dito na tayo sa Miami Beach
Yeah.
Market. Ayan, Miami Market. Marketa. Na pala beach. Miami Beach. Miami Market. Ah.
Number 32.
Smells good.
Yeah.
Smells good. Tingnan nyo to. Ano kaya? Ah, damit. Ah, mayroon silang ayan. Kainan, tapos damit. Ah, alright. Tawag na ako ng family. Tinawag agad tayo. Kakapasok lang natin doon. What are you having, babe? What are you having, Zach? Dito si Johnny. Oh, may hotdog, ha? There's hotdog. Do you want hotdog? Okay, hotdog. Ayan, may table na sila nakuha. Pasok muna tayo dito. Han, there's pizza, Han. I see pizza here. Bar dito, bar. Naka-order na yung mag-ama ko. Ako, ano tayo? Calamari. Ayan, crazy tender calamari. Naka-order na tayo ng calamari. Ang kinuha ko ay seafood combo. Ayan yung number natin, 27. Ayan yung itsura ng seafood combo. Ayan, seafood combo.
I didn't know. Huh? Thanks. I didn't know they had their stalls on Wednesday. Just like once a month.
Just have a serve of calamari.
Would you know?
Here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You too. Huh?
I think
You finish it? Tapos na silang kumain. Matagal yung ano, mga 12 minutes din tayo naghintay dun. Ayan na yung calamari. Tapos, meron yata itong prawns. Tapos chips. Kain ulit. Kain ulit. You want some, ha?
MABALOS.
Tomato, yes.
Tomatoes. I picked one on you. This is scary.
What did you have?
In a minute? Oh, don't mind mom.
What do you mean in a minute?
Where is it? Oh, I had some.
What?
I had hot dog.
Hot dog? DJ as well? So lahat sila hot dog.
Right there. Beautiful this is.
What's that? The calamari?
I saw one.
Sarap ng the calamari so good, baby.
Try it, Dad.
Just be careful with your...
Oh, you get sauce on it. You can't take that.
Ang sarap.
Is that one half an hour for me, Joe? That's fine.
Calamari. Nice. So soft.
Is this for me?
What's the prawn one? What's that one?
Tata. Oh, you want Baba? Careful. That's too big, Baba. Here one.
What's that, Mum?
That's too big, Baba. Here, cut it. Here.
What's that?
I think prawn.
What's your favorite color?
Half.
No, I'm just...
Did you have prawn?
Huh?
Have you had a prawn?
Yeah. I think there's a prawn. Is there? You love it. I think you don't like sweet. I did. You do. This one is up. Sit down there, stop. Come on, sit down with mommy, please. Come on and let's finish this one. Kasi malaki siya, madami ba? The chip is good too. Si TJ ayaw niya too. O di ba, kuha. Ang cool. Luang calamari ba? Gusto ni Holly. Like it? Lemon? Huh?
What has it got that?
Why? It is good. Is that a... What?
No. Like 10 minutes. We'll get one before
Later yan. After 10 minutes. Mag-dessert na. Sabi after 10 minutes. Sobrang sarap. Tapos na silang kumain, naghihintay na lang sila ng dessert. Pero sabi ko mamaya-maya kasi hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron na lang isa, busog na ako. Si Sak, how many you had? More than? I'm not sure. Not much as you have. Sinicheck ko lang. Masakit? Is it fine? Huwag lang magalaw. Kuha na sila ng dessert. I'm full.
Bailey, where's that shop you just went to?
Right.
On the left side. Ah, right. Okay.
Still got his point.
Ayan, kuha na sila ng dessert. Wow! Dessert time for Holy. Wow!
That's okay.
That's big, Baba. I see that.
I can't break it.
You can break it. I'll help you. It is fine.
Can I
You haven't been eating that all night.
I don't think so, yeah. Hard as well.
Good.
It's easy when I
Yeah. Yeah.
What's the boys getting?
what bag is it?
Dito na yung boys. What are you having? What's that, Zach? Here's ako. Crepe yung ano nila, dessert.
Oh, you want one now?
Here, you can have. What's that? What's inside?
Banana. I got yum. It is. Look at this piece I'm about to get.
Which? I made it for the. I know. I'm too busy now.
Mum, you made him two last year.
Yeah. Kasi before, lagi akong gumagawa niyan sa kanila. How are you there, Baba? Ang tigas naman yan, Baba.
This will take me 2 hours.
Yeah, it will take you 2 hours to finish that one. Sak, what's inside? Strawberries, banana, and Nutella. How about you, Ya? Just banana?
Dad, this will take me 2 hours.
Tapos na si Jan, pero hindi niya kinain yung ice cream. Hindi niya naubos yung ice cream. Ngayon, tinutulungan niya si Holly.
Very sweet, Bubba.
And it's heavy, that's why. It's very hard. I don't know why you got that one. It's too sweet.
It's pavlova.
I know, but it's too sweet. Not like mommy.
I like animals too.
Yeah. No, that's not homemade.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm too full, huh?
You can make
after.
lemon cake.
Tapos na tayo sa Miami Market. Dito ulit tayo sa parking lot. Punta na.
Slingshot for me.
You gonna do it again? Mag-slingshot daw ulit. Hindi ko alam kung sino.
DJ, how's your coffee?
Yeah, good.
My shoe.
Zach.
Busog na busog ako. Punta ulit tayo dun sa blue light na yun. Nakikita nyo yun? Woo! Laro muna sila dito. Go, Baba! Malamig na yung hangin. Malamig na yung hangin. Wow, relaxing, Max. Come on, let's go.
Let's slide.
Dito ulit tayo sa Slingshot. Si Max and Ivy, gagawin nila. And then si Bale and Sophie, ginawa na nila. Ito yung second time nila. Max kasi Sophie. Tapos na yung si Max. Go, Maria.
Go down for a second. Go down. You're not big enough.
Zach.
Hala guys, gagawin ko yung slingshot with Zachary.
Press the red button.
Okay.
Det kommer för göra.
Started, Ivy?
Yeah.
Tita! Who made God? I want you to get me. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. Sorry. Yeah, is it good?
Ayun, don't shit. That's enough, no, please. Put it down.
Done, Mom. My hands are slippery. It's not. I know it's. You're crying. You're gonna give me 50. You got it. You're gonna give me 50.
All the time, what are you trying to find out?
Akala ko uwi na kami, hindi pa pala. Maglalakad-lakad muna tayo. Yung mga bata nandun sa hotel nila. Sa hotel nila Sophie. Ayan. Oh, look at that, babe. Yum. Ang laki ni Hello Panda, oh.
There's heaps of food.
That's all it is, really.
Lakad-lakad lang tayo, guys. Walang kasamang bata. Kasi yung mga bata nasa room nila. Nila Sophie. Yung kasama natin, ayan. Silang picnic dito, oh. Dito tayo sa Woolies. Tapos na kayo mag-walking. Kuha lang kami ng drinks. Kuha tayo ng crumpets. Yan, kumuha na siya ng lemon squash.
Where's the profile?
Wow. Got your coffee. Ayan. Dito tayo sa room nila. You're quiet. Nice view. Ito ang view nila dito. Wow. I don't wanna go there.
Yeah, you gotta look there.
No, I don't want, hon. I already seen that before.
You haven't? I've been up here before.
No, on the sling, whatever you call the slingshot.
Come in.
No, hon.
I'll hold you.
I know, I'm not.
Gotta get the view.
I know already. I seen it already, babe. I don't want.
Come on. 2 seconds. Look. You're right. Just look down.
Yes, I can see.
Look down.
Oh my
Look-
goodness.
look down.
My God, ang lalim. What floor are we?
36.
36th floor.
Well, you're higher than that freaking thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first time I come out here, the old knees were.
You too?
And yours is just there. That little bit there.
Yeah.
That's what view of my bed.
I reckon.
That's a long
So I'm
way
looking
down,
at
isn't it?
it,
Hey?
Long way
You
down,
could be,
isn't it?
yeah. Mine was about that.
Oh, yours should be.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
can you get them or?
Cause I think I do want you next to me.